Surprise! There's now an unofficial review out for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. A YouTube channel Random Stuff 2 has put out an unofficial review video for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. The video reveals a bunch of key specs and features of the flagship. Galaxy S21 leaks have already wreaked havoc on Samsung's launch plans, and just in case there was anything left to the imagination, this new video leak bears it all. The 5-minute video has been published by a YouTube channel called Random Stuff 2. It might sound, well, random, but it's got some 300,000 subscribers and was the source for a previous leak. Anyhow, the video shows the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus from head to toe. It confirms an almost bezel-less display with a centered punch hole, something we've seen in the press renders leaked just yesterday. We also see the workings of the in-display fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. In terms of specs, the clip reveals the presence of a 64MP plus 12MP plus 12MP triple rear camera setup with 3x optical zoom. You can also feast your eyes on some camera samples in there. The video leak also reveals that the Galaxy S21 Plus will come with 8GB of RAM, 128GB 256GB storage options, Android 11 out of the box, and of course, the Snapdragon 888 chipset. In his short unofficial review video, Random Stuff 2 presents some thoughts on his experience with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus model over an entire month. He also mentions that he has been playing with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 for a week, so we can expect to see a review for that model soon as well. The unofficial review of the Galaxy S21 Plus is more like a comparison with Apple's iPhone 12 Pro Max. There is also a benchmark video, but since the Antutu tests are not really comparable cross-platform, we believe those results are not relevant. In any case, here are some interesting points from the review. Screen bezels are even smaller now. The 64/12 12MP camera module on the back has been redesigned. The lenses are now better protected and harder to crack. Samsung is still tweaking the image quality on the cameras, so what we see in the video could still be improved for the final product. The review unit comes with the Snapdragon 888 processors and 8GB of RAM, plus 128GB of storage, 256GB also available, and Android 11. New 4800 mAh battery lasts longer now. The YouTuber warns that this isn't an official review because the software is not fully baked yet, but says that the Galaxy S21 Plus will probably be the best phone of 2021. We'll see about that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Performance has been very good, and I have to admit I'm impressed with the phone and the battery. Oh my god, the battery, it lasts me through the whole day. I mean, last time I had a phone like this, it was the Mate 20 Pro. That, as you guys know, that phone is a beast when it comes about battery life. I'm telling you guys, this phone right here, I mean, through the whole day without no problem. Well, so here it is. After using the phone for a little bit over a month, I have to say I'm a little bit impressed how the phone performs. It's very quick, it's very snappy, it takes very good pictures. That is gonna be getting better and better with the new updates that they're releasing. They have this huge 4800 milliamp hours battery that will easily hold you through the 8 hours of day, at least with my usage. And I have to admit, Samsung has come a long way since Note 7, and it looks like it's getting better and better by the day. Like I say, this is not a final product, this is not an official review. When this phone gets released, you will be able to get a more refined, a better product than what I'm showing you today. So it's time for me to put this phone back in the box. And guys, I tell you, the Samsung Fold 3 is crazy. I've been playing with it for a week now, and I mean, the numbers are crazy. That's the only thing I gotta say about it.